ExpressVPN for Mac in 2022. Even if you are a Mac user, VPN is necessary for a secure and anonymous web experience if you want. Let me tell you the best VPNs for your sweet and expensive Mac. Later on, I will discuss the 3 primary standards maintained by VPN providers I look for before judging a VPN. Number 5 is Mullvad Policy. Mullvad allows 5 simultaneous device connections. They have a strict no-log policy, also provide decent speed. Although being present in 30 countries, they don't promise to be able to unlock the geo-blocked content for you to browse. Number 4. Proton VPN. Proton VPN is present in over 50 countries and provides security for its connection. It also has a free plan but with limited features if you want to try. Number 3 is Shurshark VPN. Although not famous like others, Shurshark does not lag behind. It also provides suitable security protocol, and where it leaps ahead is in number of devices connections. You can connect unlimited number of devices using a single account. Number 2, NordVPN. NordVPN also has one of the best security protocols and it's also affordable. NordVPN is very reliable in terms of connection web surfing. With being present in over 60 countries, NordVPN provides good speed, great functionality and secure internet connection. Number 1, of course, ExpressVPN.
You serious?
This one tops the list for its best-in-class security protocols and server location. With being present in over 90 countries and with a strict no-log policy, we recommend this one for video streaming. Now let's get something after the way. Every VPN on this list should qualify with some specific standards, and these standards are: Number 1, no logs policy. This is the must standard. VPN should have a bit of transparency about it, because if there is anything that makes it more trusted about it is no logs policy. Number 2 is setup and connection. Setup and connection to the server should be simple and easy to use. Number 3, security and protection. The VPN should be cross-platform compatible. It should be able to secure multiple devices like Android, iPhone, laptops, etc. at once. It should also have the highest security encryption available. So here is a conclusion for you guys. VPNs are great for safe and secure web browsing, and we hope this video helped you pick the best VPN service available out of so many VPN providers out there for your Mac. Thank you.